on my left side, oh, there is a pond. Right now I'm standing at the middle side of road. On my right side, there are a lot of lands available. Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. Right now I am walking in the road. Actually it is quite challenging to stay outside of house because of cold. Today is really colder than any other day, and nowadays in our country cold temperature is very low. That's why this is quite challenging to stay outside of house. Now I'm gonna show you how is the condition of the atmosphere. Okay, you can see behind me. Oh, I can't show you properly because of foggies are down. I can stay in my house at this moment. Just I am out of my house because of making this video. Okay, if I don't make video, then it will be one kind of excuse. Okay, I don't want to give any kind of excuse. I try to make video, I try to keep up my practicing. Oh, I am going through the road, and you can see on my left side, oh, there is a pond, and beside the pond over there are a lot of coconut tree. Okay, and right now I'm standing at the middle side of road. On my right side, there are a lot of lands available, and you can see the lands are totally blank. Okay, and I can't show you properly condition of the lands because of foggies. Okay, this is the reason. So dear learners, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care. Bye bye.